On this 47 RE, same on the 48s, 46s, they're all the same. This bearing plate is getting replaced because it has some wear. It's a common issue. Here is the Sonax part number. It's pretty straightforward once you get it this far apart. Let me find my knife. So we have a new bearing plate. And a new bearing. It's pretty good practice to lay these in a tub of transmission fluid, either ATF4, Dexmerc, doesn't matter on these 4 speeds, and let them soak for a while. But to go about changing this plate, there's a snap ring on this side. You can see it right here. Just take a pair of snap ring pliers. You may have to fight a little bit, but this one isn't too bad. Once you get it loose, bring the snap ring all the way up off the hub. I try not to twist them too much because you want them to be relatively flat. Let me go back on. And then bearing plate. Just goes off like that. And you can see the teeth on that sun gear. They actually wear. This one, like I said, has been replaced at some point in time. But you can see where the teeth actually wear into that also. That's why it's a good idea to replace it. And it often gets overlooked. So, clean your sun gear up. I have to replace that bushing that came out by our fingers too. So you just lay your new plate on. These 4 divots on this side go toward the angled teeth. Try to get it started straight. Sometimes you have to play with it. There we go. Once you can see all of the snap ring groove, you know you're good enough. It's kind of hard to see. Let me get my pick. Right here is where the snap ring goes. This thing's gonna be a pain. Shoot it down toward the bottom. Get it most of the way on. A lot of times you can just push down with a pick, screwdriver, finger. Watch your finger though. When it snaps, make sure it's in the groove all the way. And there's our new bearing plate. And this will go on there. Or the spring goes on that side, I'm sorry. Bearing goes on this side. So these bearings are directional. The inside, you can see this rounded edge, and then you have that edge. You can kind of tell how it goes because the rounded edge is going to go down on the inside, and it'll set on that plate like that. So we'll soak that puppy in some oil and get it lubricated while we wait on our other parts.